Hello students, today we'll be doing experiment number 8 of our first semester. Aim of the experiment is you are given 0.08 normal HCl solution. Determine the strength of given X normal NH4OH in terms of normality and grams per liter. So you can see from the aim that we are using two solutions. One is HCl and the other one is NH4OH. So normality of HCl is already given, which is 0.08 normal, and while using this we have to find the normality of X normal NH4OH solution, which is unknown for us. So with the help of this volumetric analysis, that is titration, while using HCl, which is of no normality, we will find the normality of NH4OH, that is ammonium hydroxide solution, in its normality, and also we have to find its strength in grams per liter. Before starting the procedure, you have to clean all the apparatus with water and rinse the burette and pipette with HCl and NH4OH solutions respectively. We'll add HCl solution to the burette with the help of funnel. Now you can see as this liquid is transparent, so we will set lower meniscus is at 0. After that we will take 10 ml of NH4OH with the help of pipette in the conical flask. Then we will add 2-3 drops of methyl orange, which is acting as an indicator in this experiment. You can see the color. Right now it is yellow in color. So at the end point the color should change to orange. Now we will start adding HCl drop by drop while continuous stirring till the end point comes. Now you can see the color. Right now it is orange in color. So this is the end point. Now you will see the burette reading. It is 8.8 ml. That means, so our first reading is 8.8. So that means 8.8 ml of HCl has been consumed to neutralize 10 ml of X normal NH4OH. So after this we have to make one observation table like this. It will be having 4 columns. In first column it is of serial number, second is initial reading, then final reading, difference, constant. So how you will fill that I will show you. In the observation table, first column is serial number. In the second column we have to write the initial reading, that will be 0.0. So for that we have to set the lower meniscus at 0 in the burette. Then we will write down the final reading. That means how much NH4OH has been consumed in the first reading. Difference is final reading minus initial reading. Then we will take the second reading. As in the procedure, you can see that you have to repeat the procedure minimum 3 times. So in the second reading also you will write the initial reading as 0.0. For this you have to set the lower meniscus at 0. Then you will take the final reading. Then you will write the difference. Here also it is 8.8. Then we will take the third reading. There also you will set the lower meniscus at 0.0. Here also final reading is 8.8. Then you will write the difference, which will be 8.8. Then in the column of constant you will write 8.8. Now what is constant? So constant is not always be 8.8. Suppose if you are doing this practical, in first you got 8.9, in second reading you got 8.8, in third you got 8.8. So that means constant we will keep the reading which is exactly the same. The two readings which are exactly same we will write as or take as constant. Then you see the statement given in the chart. X ml of 0.08 normal HCl is required for complete neutralization of X 10 ml X normal NH4OH. So in this place of dash, what will you write? The amount of HCl has been consumed, that is our constant. That means here it is 8.8. 8.8 ml of HCl has been consumed for complete neutralization of 10 ml of X normal HCl. Equation you can easily see, as we are using NH4OH, we are adding NH4OH with HCl, then we are getting salt and water, then salt is ammonium chloride and water. Now you have to calculate the normality, or we have to find the normality. For that we will use this formula, N1V1 is equals to N2V2, where N1 is normality of HCl, which is already given in the aim. So it is 0.08 normal. What is V1? V1 is volume of HCl, which is burette reading. Br is what? Burette reading. Here it is 8.8 in this experiment. N2 is normality of NH4OH, that is X normal, that we have to find after doing this calculation. V2 is volume of NH4OH, this is 10 ml. Then we will use this formula, N2 is equals to N1V1 divided by V2. So in place of Br we will write what? In place of Br we will write, Br is burette reading. Br is 8.8 here. So we will calculate this, then we will get N2. So what was N2? N2 is normality of NH4OH, which was unknown. By this calculation you will get 0.0704 normal. So this is our first result. Then second thing, what we have to find? We have to find the strength of this solution. The strength is in grams per liter. For this we will use this formula, normality into equivalent weight. So normality, we use this one, normality of NH4OH, 0.0704 multiplied by 35. You will get the strength as 2.464 grams. Then you will write down the result. You will make result table like this, as it is given in the chart. The solution here it is NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide. Normality is 0.0704 normal, and 2 grams per liter is 2.464 grams. So this is the strength of this solution. So by this all procedure, we got the answer, we got the result, as the aim of the experiment was normality of HCl was given, and with the help of this we had to find the strength of and the normality of given X normal NH4OH. So this is our result.